Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into a question I hear all the time, which is, do you lose the basis adjustment on your home or other assets when you put them into a trust? Well, with some recent announcements from the IRS, there's been a lot of confusion around this. So I'm here to break it down simply. And by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how different types of trust affect your assets basis adjustment and the tax benefits your family could receive. Hi, I'm Chuck Roulet. I'm an estate and elder law planning attorney licensed to practice in both Florida and Minnesota. And before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button so you'll be notified when I post new videos like this one. And if you have a question, post it in the comments and I may answer it in an upcoming video. Finally, if you stay to the end, I'll share some additional resources with you. So first things first, what's a basis adjustment and why does it matter? Well, the basis of an asset like your home is its original cost or purchase price for tax purposes. When you pass away, many assets get a basis adjustment. Basically, they're revalued at the market rate on the date of death. So why does this matter? Well, a step up in basis can save your heirs a lot of money in capital gains taxes if they sell the asset. For example, if you bought your home for $100,000 and it's now worth $700,000, that step up could save your family from a huge tax bill. Now let's talk about some recent IRS rule clarifications and some common misconceptions that have arisen from that. Recently, the IRS clarified that if you put assets into some types of irrevocable trusts, specifically those not included in your taxable estate, you could lose that basis adjustment. Now, unfortunately, this has led to some confusion, and a lot of people now believe that any asset put into any trust will lose its basis adjustment, but that's simply not true. So let's break down how this actually works with different types of trusts. So first up, revocable trusts. A revocable trust, also known as a living trust, is fully controlled by you, the grantor, the one creating it. Because you still control the assets, they're still part of your estate for estate tax purposes, which means that they do receive the basis adjustment at death. So, for example, if you put your home into a revocable trust, your heirs will still get that basis adjustment when you pass away. So, no worries about losing this tax benefit with a revocable trust. Now, let's talk about irrevocable trusts, which are a bit more complex. With an irrevocable trust, once you place assets into it, you usually can't change your mind. These assets are removed from your estate, which is good for estate tax purposes. However, unless the trust is drafted correctly, these assets won't get a basis adjustment at death. Here's the key. If you want to use an irrevocable trust but still preserve the basis adjustment, you can work with an estate planner to create a grantor trust or an intentionally defective grantor trust. With the right language in place, this kind of trust can keep assets in your taxable estate while still protecting them and preserving that all-important basis adjustment. So let me give you a quick example. Say you own a vacation property that's worth $1 million today but was purchased for $200,000 several years ago. You want to protect it from future risks and maybe save on estate taxes, so you place it into an irrevocable trust. If this trust is not included in your estate, your heirs could face capital gains taxes on $800,000 when they sell it. However, if the trust is set up as a grantor trust or has provisions in it for estate tax inclusion, your heirs can benefit from that step up, avoiding the capital gains tax. This strategy can save families a lot of money and ensure your hard-earned wealth goes where you want it to. Now, there are also a couple of misconceptions I want to clear up quickly. First, not all trusts cause you to lose the basis adjustment. Only specific types of irrevocable trusts without estate tax inclusion lose this benefit. And second, not all irrevocable trusts are the same. Each has unique features and tax implications, so working with a professional is crucial. Putting this all together, it's clear that estate planning isn't one size fits all. By choosing the right trust, you can help your family avoid costly guardianship or probate, save on taxes, and protect the assets you leave behind from potential risks like divorce or even bankruptcy. And working with an estate planning professional can make all the difference. If you'd like to learn more or schedule a consultation, you can visit our website at rouletlaw.com to learn more. And if you would like to discover how you can protect your home and life savings from nursing home and long-term care costs, I've written a book, Save Our Home: How to Protect Your Home and Life Savings from Nursing Home and Long-Term Care Costs. And I've provided a link in the description below where you can download your copy. It's packed with strategies to help protect your assets and manage your affairs smoothly. And if you would like to discover how you can make it as easy and inexpensive as possible for your family to manage your affairs if anything were to happen to you, join us in my upcoming masterclass, where I reveal strategies I use with my private clients and their families. I'll cover how to avoid probate, the differences between wills and trusts, tax saving strategies, and how to protect your children's inheritance from divorce or financial issues, and much more. Just click the link in the description where you can sign up and join us. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on protecting your wealth and securing your family's future. I look forward to seeing you in the next video on the masterclass. Until then, take care and remember, protecting your legacy starts with the right plan.